Hello everyone, happy holidays. The Mindful Glow Cookbook is finally here and I feel like a little kid on Christmas morning because I am so excited to have my copy in my hands. This book is a compilation of all of my favorite and best recipes. We've got breakfast, we've got soup, salads and sides, main dishes, snacks, entertaining worthy recipes, and of course, lots of dessert. So for those of you who are ready to ditch the diet and just dive into delicious, naturally nourishing food, this book is really a no-brainer for everyone on your holiday list. So thank you to everybody who pre-ordered their book. If you haven't already gotten your copy, you're definitely going to want to purchase it today. You can go on Indigo or Amazon, or of course check it out in your local bookstore. And as soon as you get yours, please leave me a review. I would love to hear what recipes you're enjoying the most. Now today I want to share with you one of my favorite recipes from the book. This is my beet, celeriac, and Brussels sprout holiday hash. It is so delicious. It's great for entertaining this holiday season because it's gluten-free and it's vegetarian and it is packed with holiday cheer. So let's do this. To a cast iron skillet, I add some olive oil over medium heat, then add in some onions and garlic, and I give it a good stir. Next, I add cooked celeriac and cooked beets and give that a good stir. Next, I add some shredded Brussels sprouts, beet greens, lemon zest, and lemon juice, and I stir until those greens wilt down. Finish it off with some thyme leaves and set it aside. To make my poached eggs, I add a little bit of vinegar to some simmering water, and then I add in my egg. Now it's time to assemble. Top the hash with our eggs along with some ground pepper, crushed pistachios, goat's cheese, and some fresh thyme. Enjoy! So guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, I don't know what you're waiting for, but definitely please pick up your own copy of the Mindful Glow Cookbook. I worked so incredibly hard on this baby and I'm so excited to share it with all of you. So please leave me a comment below with what recipes you guys are loving. I also want to see your photos on Instagram or Twitter or Facebook, so do not forget to tag me. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you next time on Abby's Kitchen. Bye!